Hello everyone, I want to ask you a fun question. Who loves Santa Claus? I do. Santa with his red suit, white blanket, a good gift. Today, I will tell you a story about Christmas and why Santa is part of it. Christmas is a special day that people celebrate on December 25th. Christmas began because people want to remember Jesus Christ. Jesus is an important person in Christian religion. People around the world celebrate Christmas in many fun ways. They decorate Christmas tree, give gifts, sing songs, and spend time with the family. But where does Santa Claus come in? Santa Claus based on a real person named Saint Nicholas who lived a long time ago. Saint Nicholas loved helping others, give gifts to children. Over many years, people start calling him Santa Claus. Now Santa is a big part of Christmas fun. Children love him because he brings a present, rides a sled, and has a reindeer. So Christmas is not about gift or Santa Claus. It's about love, kindness, sharing in family. Santa Claus reminds us to be generous and caring. Thank you for listening.
សាលារៀនអន្តរជាតិ Camtop ផ្ដល់សេវាកម្មអប់រំប្រកបដោយគុណភាពគុណធម៌ឧត្តមភាពនិងជាជំរឿនដ៏ល្អបំផុតសម្រាប់បុត្រធីតាលោកអ្នកសូមអរគុណ